Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks.
Good morning. It is Friday, September 13th. September 13th. I'm wearing my Animal Kingdom ears. These are the caw ears that I made. Unfortunately, I'm not going to take them to the park because my head is starting to squeeze my head. And he is very heavy, so impractical ears, but they're pretty. So I said once that I would hurt for fashion. I'm not going to hurt for fashion, so yeah, we're just going to leave the ears here. It's fine. It was fine when I had a plan. I didn't wear ears yesterday, and I didn't wear ears on Wednesday, so no big loss. But we're going to Animal Kingdom. It's our last day. So let's go to Animal Kingdom. It is 8:30. I did not make rope drop, but there was a long line, which is normal.
Make sure your total name completely seated during the entire trip. And when we stop, watch me seated. Also, make sure hold them very tight to any items that you don't want to lose because it's going to be a very bumpy ride. And then here on our left, we're going to get to see different species. This one with the horns are going to be bungos. Bungos are actually nicknamed the ghost of the forest. They also have those horns that lean backwards. Those actually helps them to go through, take the rotation really quickly. If they have to get a lot more on the left, try a bit more visible. Behind this first. The hippos could actually hold the respiration underwater for about 8 minutes. The real good thing about hippos is that they actually swim underwater. Take a look at like straight back by the wall. There are some completely out of the water, which are the ones that are the most visible this time. There are some more in the water, and they have one pretty like the way you get lunch and have like drinks and like ornaments in the middle of the scenario. We're gonna be kind of like straight back from here, so you might see a giraffe kind of like heading towards the middle there. So as we go around that area, we're gonna get to see lots of different animals. It looks like for now they're all in that area, so we'll get to see them in a little bit. You might also notice some animals with big horns all the way at the end. Those are going to be foaling cattle. This big bush that's here on the left, as we pass it, you see some antelopes back there. Those two are elands. They are the largest antelope species that we have here. They can get as tall as 6 feet up to their shoulder. And then we're going to have a giraffe getting close. And then after the giraffe, there are some dark brown antelopes, which are sable antelopes. They're actually the official antelope of the reserve. So you can see the baby zebras on the left. We got this one right in front of mom, and then the other one is right behind me right here. There's a giraffe crossing. So on the other side, there's a stop for an ostrich in the road. So we're gonna hang out here because the next truck is up ahead. But you see a lion's right up there. Yeah. So it looks like the warden's heading there now. So you might see some ostriches actually straight ahead. Looks like they're following the warden around.
Oh, so even if you wanted to, you couldn't?
I mean, I'm sure you can.
What makes them not interested, though, I guess is the question. Because if we were in the wild, they probably approach, right?
Alright friends, so let's see, we're gonna start over here. So we get to see those lions are built. Now they can actually spend up to 20 hours during the day just resting, sleeping, chilling. They do their hunting during the night. And if you take a quick look on the right, you can see the white rhinos I saw earlier, kind of. You're gonna get to see them again after these rocks. So just have to drive around them.
Checking in. I rode the safari and then I rode Everest once with the regular queue and then one single rider because I didn't know where it was. Someone in line told me where it was, so that was helpful. Right now we're just walking to Dinosaur because I gotta have as much Dino Land fun as I can because I'm gonna miss it. So there's what I'm passing right now. May come by and see that show later. But right now, I just want to ride Dinosaur. I'm going to try to film it the best I can. I'm using my little tripod, so hopefully that helps. And now I'm just trying to stay in the shade because I'm pretty sure my sunscreen's already gone. It's hot and humid. It's Florida.
I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you, and not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See?
Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing.
Those locked coordinates?
We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
So I did not record on Dinosaur. It was a little rough and so I just didn't feel comfortable holding my phone. It's on a tripod, so it's a little easier to hold. But I'm gonna go eat at Restaurantosaurus, which is just burgers and fries. But since it's not gonna stick around much longer, I want to eat here at least once. So I got some diorama game tickets. I may keep one, but I'm gonna try to use them because I really want a dinosaur plushie. I really want one. So they were $4 each, so I spent, or they were $6 each, so I spent about $24 on my tickets. But let's go see if I can win some dinos. I got one! I got the Triceratops! There's no way I'm getting the Iguanodon at all. I know I'm not. But I do have one ticket left, but I'm happy with the one I have. Look at him, he's so cute! Hello, Sarah! I'm gonna name her Sarah, like on Land Before Time. So, you're so cute! So happy I won the little trike. All I wanted was one of the dinosaur plushies from the arcade area. When I came in 2022, someone gifted me theirs. But I really wanted the Iguanodon, which is a big prize. And there was no way I was getting 3 baskets. I'm still shocked I got 2. So we're gonna leave Dino Land for a little bit. Gonna come back and ride dinosaur a few times. And hopefully buy a couple of gift shop items there. Dino Land! I'm gonna miss it. I think I'm gonna go to It's a Tough to Be a Bug because it's hot and I need some AC. So, very easy last day in the park. Okay, so we were in the Avatar area, Pandora, whatever you call it, to get a shoulder plushie for my friend, Mickey. So, baby has been acquired. I'll think on a name, but I can't have anything right now. The last showing of Festival of the Lion King happens in like 10 minutes, so I'm hoping to get there.
Hey Jack, wouldn't it be cool if I meet Ned or Shark when I'm at school?
No.
Or an angel fish? Is it true they have wings? Can you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea.
You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico!
Nemo!
Well, hi! I'm Dory, and this is...
You don't need to know. We were just leaving.
I like you invited. It was so little party I'm having.
What to bring for us night? We're starving. Come on, a tasty one.
meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. We shall friends. We shall friends, not friends.
Okay, so Lion King got sold out, so I couldn't see it, which my fault. I missed all the other shows too. So I watched the Finding Nemo show, and now I'm gonna ride Dinosaur, and I'm probably gonna head out because between my leg and just being tired. Yep, I bought him. And the remote control dino rover. So, and the other things. The Banshee is not mine. My friend Mickey's. So, let's go! I snuck a by All-Star Sports Bus, and it's empty. It's just me and the driver. Look at this. Sports' lobby is closer to my room than my own lobby. So I can take either sports or music to get where I need to go. Those two bags are full of all of my merch. I'm gonna try to lay it on the bed because Lewis is already there and he's part of the merch. So here is everything I have bought, sort of. There's one thing that was found or I was given, kind of thing. Anything that's not a gift from somebody is on the bed. That includes the one thing in Epcot that I found and my buttons and my magic band, whatever. So I had to have some dinosaur merch, and honestly, he is squishy. He is like rubber squishy. And there are like some wires in him to hold him together. Anyway, I had to have him on Little Time Rover. I love Star Tours, so I got the vehicle. The plushie I won in the carnival area. Doc Ondar here is from Character Warehouse, but those are the two plushes I bought. Scarlet Witch Spirit Jersey. Haunted Mansion Spirit Jersey. Live Action Little Mermaid Spirit Jersey. And there's my Pirates of the Caribbean. I wanted something with red on it. It's a t-shirt, so I found this at the Character Warehouse. All three of these, plus Doc Ondar, came from the Character Warehouse. This is too small, but I had to have it. But yes, I got the Jafar shirt. My little Raven Soldier plush. This was found in Epcot. It was just sitting in the Morocco Pavilion. I gave them 30 minutes and now it's mine. Sorry. I had to have a little Ray lantern. It's too cute. And my buttons. But yeah, these are all the pens that I bought. That's all the candy I got. I only filled my bag because I didn't have another bag to go with. And my Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween band intact. You don't know how hard it was to get off my wrist. A magic band. Yeah, that is all the damage that I did before I go to the airport, because I still have some gift cards left to use. But yeah. Okay, I am working on packing up all of this stuff because it is Friday night, 10 p.m. I have a shuttle leaving at 4 to take me to the airport tomorrow morning, and I've got nothing done. So this is where my Disney trip ends. I'm very sad, but honestly, I'm kind of ready to be home. So I gotta finish my wine and gotta pack. So hope you like the videos. Comment down below, whatever you want. Yeah, but that's all I got for you. Thank you for watching. Stay geeky and subscribe for more geeky content. I will go back to normal videos whenever this happens. This will be after Vlogoween anyway, so bye. Hey Disney, it's my last day.
Hiya, pals. It's me, Mickey, and I'm here with the rest of the gang.
Hello. What's cooking?
Even Pluto's here, aren't you, boy? Ruff, ruff. Not to mention Goofy. Goofy?
Hey there.
Gosh, what's the matter, Goof?
Oh, nothing. I just kind of miss our friends.
Yeah, now that you mention it, I kind of miss them too.
Aw, well, gee, fellas.
Don't worry about us, Mick. We'll be fine.
Yeah, someday.
Oh, boys, don't be silly. I'm sure we'll see our friends again before we know it.
That's right, Minnie. And when we do, it'll be more fun than ever.
Well, gosh. Now you're talking.
Well, we better go. So till next time.
So long, everybody.
And we'll see ya
real soon.